Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nura Alifa Balkis and I'm from S12 PEY. So, firstly, I will share the lab sheet first. Okay. So, this is the lab sheet. I will show you how I construct for lab 2, which is operation of oscilloscope and function generator. But I will only show for part 1. For part 1, we have 3 oscilloscope using Agile oscilloscope and Tetronic oscilloscope. But I will measuring DC voltage using the oscilloscope, the first one. So first we will construct the circuit as shown in figure 1A, which is we have voltage here, 2 resistor and oscilloscope. And we will record the supply voltage V1 and VR2. So I will show the MULTISM, how I construct the the uh the experiment by using the MULTISM. So this is MULTISM. So basically we go to place, find the component. We choose DC power. DC power, okay, DC power. And DC power, and so don't forget the ground. The ground, the ground here. Sorry. Okay. Next, we will find the resistor. The resistor in the group basic. We use 2 resistor here and here. So, okay, the component we get it. And next, I will construct using oscilloscope, right? So, this is oscilloscope. So, for oscilloscope, so you can see here we have a channel A and channel B. Oh, before we sambung wire. So oh, for voltage we use 10 volt. First resistor will we use 4 kilo ohm, right? 4 kilo ohm. 4 kilo ohm, and the tolerance is 10. Okay, for second resistor we use 1 kilo ohm, and also the tolerance is 10. Okay, so now we will rotate it, Control R. Oh no. Control R. Alright. So for channel A, here we go for, oh no. Oh, here. Here and here and here. Okay. So it is to find the VR voltage, okay? So for channel B, we will find to VR2. So we will connect it in here. Alright, connect. So for on this, we going to connect the voltage here. Here. So, and also remember the ground. Alright, we get the full circuit that we saw here before, which is figure 1A. So next we will run and click twice at oscilloscope and get the waveforms. So we stop it, pause the simulation to see the wave. So the wave is straight. So don't forget to set the mode, set the set the coupling mode. The coupling mode is DC, okay? So DC, in here is DC. So we got the value for V1 channel A. We got 10 volts. For channel B, to find VR2, we get 2 volt. So that's how I use the MULTISM to construct to measure DC by using oscilloscope. Thank you very much.